Hey friends, thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're doing a JCPenney shop with me. We are shopping for holiday gifts for everyone in the family, all for under $100. Thank you so much to JCPenney for sponsoring this video. I am just so excited to share the shop with me portion. So here is the shop with me portion. I actually went earlier today, and then after that I'll share everything that I purchased. Hey guys, so we're here at JCPenney. This would be cute for my mom because she likes things that keep her warm and cozy. I'm gonna be thinking about this one for sure, but let's keep looking. I'm not sure about the color. Maybe red because she loves herself some festive red for the holidays. Even have it in pink. I think I'm gonna get this for my mom because she loves the vest, and this is something that she can wear with multiple outfits. Just put it on top, keep her warm and cozy. So definitely gonna get this for her. You guys, they have this fuzzy vest. It's so cute. Let's try it on. Let's try it on real quick. What do you think? Yes, let me walk them. Just kidding. I love pearls, you guys. These are some affordable pearls right here. Do you guys see that? Because mines are really small. I could maybe get the bigger one up top there. Match with my mama. This is great for like men in your lives. Look, I found the perfect one for my brother. This is so nice. It's $24.99. It's got the watch, the wallet, and I think this is like a, let's see, a multi-purpose tool. So this one's perfect for my brother. But look at the variety. They have one with like bracelets, and then they also have this kind. This got like a bottle opener in here. This is actually really cool. This is something that I would probably pick for Justin. I love the brown and just like the simple face. Other great holiday ideas are like things to keep you warm, like a hat. What do you guys think? Yes, no, maybe so? Okay, you guys, these I see everywhere on Instagram. Ooh, and it's got like the non-slip bottom. Yes, these are cute. Who am I gonna get it for though? You guys, a great idea for holiday gifts are scarves. I've done it so many times and they always like it because it keeps you warm and you can wear it with a lot of things. Look at all the scarves. I particularly like the beanies and these kinds. Socks are always a great idea. Look at these ones. They're so cute. But then they also have like the fuzzy ones right over here, you guys. These are great stocking stuffers. They're $7. Good value. They've got the non-slip grips right here if you guys can see. I'm going to figure out the color and then pick one out. You guys, look, they have matching family pajamas. Look, little bear would be Liam. Baby would be Jakey. Mama, and then Papa Bear. You guys, this is a gift you give yourself. You gotta love yourself, treat yourself to some isotoner. Ooh, the feeling of it when you put these on. I have had 2 of these, pink and blue. Definitely recommend the memory foam isotoner, this one particularly. And it's thick and it's got the no slip. It's just amazing. Over here you guys see they're isotoners but different designs. They even got little booty kinds. Look at this. This is a pajama like sleep nightgown, and then it comes with the socks that you wear up high. Super cute. Oh my gosh, a gift that you can give anyone would be pajamas. Well, you gotta know their size though, but this, the feeling of it, it's so soft. And then like I just can't stop looking at these. I mean, these pants just says it all. These pants say, I'm living my best life, comfy and cute, okay? My boys love pajamas and they like to match. Well, my older son likes to match. I don't know about Jacob yet. He's not talking. But look what I found. These are adorable. Do you guys like leggings, but you like jeggings? This is denim leggings. So they're like jeggings, but they don't have like, you know, the buttons and everything. They feel so soft and stretchy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been looking for something like this. This is a great gift idea for yourself. for others. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all, we gotta try it on and we gotta figure out the colors because they got white, black, maroon, gray, but I'm a girly girl. I love pink. So what do you think? I love it. It's so cozy. You can wear it at home. You can wear it casually outside, like a robe. This is cute. Great gift, but you do have to know the size of whoever you're gonna get it for. I know my size, so. All right, you guys, let's go over the colors. They have ones without the hoodies, but the one that I love is the hoodie one, but they have like this one, so soft, and then they have navy blue. They have white, which is the first thing that caught my eye. And then over here, they have the different colors I have to show you guys. Of course, you guys have seen the pink one, but then the gray one is so cute. Have you guys, look, the gray one is a beautiful color. These are so cool. So if you guys live where there's snow, there's an ice scraper and it lights up and it's heated. Oh, a heated travel mug. I love all the kitschy things for the holidays. A tool set. Oh my gosh, one day when Liam's bigger, I'm gonna get him a tool set. Oh my gosh, you guys know I'm all about that comfy life. This is amazing. It's an auto seat cushion. It's got heat, soothing heat while you drive. First of all, I don't have a daughter. You guys know that. But if I did, oh my, we would be twinning. I do have a niece though. Would that be weird? Be like, hey, can I take your daughter for the day and dress her up and take pictures with her? So cute, right? Hold on, you guys. How come they don't have adult ones? That's my question. Because this is just so cute. And then it comes with like a matching, but don't let nobody tell you how to dress. What you can do is mix and match, okay? So we're gonna put, okay, hold on. We're gonna put this back in the right place like this. You can mix and match and live your best comfy life. We have a friend who's having a newborn baby, and I think that these are really great gifts because Jakey hugs one. Liam had like one that he hugged before. So these little guys are so great for babies. Look at this little outfit. I am obsessed. I could be matching with Jakey, but the thing is, they don't have one in Liam's size. This is so adorable. And then I just saw this right over here, holiday pajamas. You guys, I found something so cute. I have to get it. Look, for the boys. It's a little giraffe, and then they have it in Liam size too, so that's perfect for T and then 18 months. Shopping for Justin, the hubby. This looks really good. I actually had him try it on and it looks amazing. I was like, oh, have you been working out? Have you been doing your cardio? Because that's what it's looking like when you wear this. So definitely getting this for Justin. But look at all these fun gifts. They have like a chair pad that looks like wood. Oh, they've got a prank kit. Oh my gosh, this is so hilarious. I've cut back to just one cup of coffee, but it's like a heck of humongous one. This is hilarious, you guys. It's an exercise block. Place block on floor, walk around it twice, sit down and relax. That's hilarious. I had fun shopping with you guys at JCPenney, showing you guys the variety of gifts that you can get for everyone in your family. I had a blast. I just wanted to get everything. If you guys noticed, it was just so exciting. I love shopping for gifts. That's just like my thing. Anyways, I wanted to share the haul part of everything that I actually picked out and purchased. So the first thing is this Never Tuck bomber sweater. It's by the brand Van Heusen, and I picked it out for Justin. Justin was actually filming for me when we were at JCPenney, so I had him try it on. It looks so good on him. And this is $39.99, which is really great because it hits under the $100 mark. So when I was walking around JCPenney, I saw this. You guys know this is like super trendy right now, the whole teddy bear look. I wanted something that was pink though, because I saw one of my friends, she was wearing something pink, and then I saw this at JCPenney. I was like, oh my gosh, it was meant to be. So nothing wrong treating yourself to a holiday gift, you guys. This is by the brand Cold Crush, and this was $29. I got it in the extra small size. This is really cute. Like, this is something that I would gift to my best friend, something that of course I'm giving to myself. My little sister would look so cute in it. There's just so many people that love that trend, so you guys should find it at JCPenney. It's a great price. I have a friend who is going to have a blessing very soon. Actually, I think right after the holidays. So I wanted to get something for her. This is cute, right? $5.99. Great price, and I love that it's like the cutest little security blanket. It's so soft and washable. I love washable things, especially for kids. For the boys, I wanted to get them some matching pajamas. For the holidays, I like to shop for certain things. Like I think about something that they need, which are pajamas. They need new pajamas. They want, which is usually toys and things like that. And also what I like to get for them, books. And so I found the cutest pajamas, so I want to show you guys. You guys probably saw already, but I picked these little reindeer pajamas out. Aren't they cute? This one is the 18 months. This is $11.99. And then this is the size 4T for Liam, and it has a cute little hoodie. And this one is $14.99, and it has little reindeer antlers and everything. You don't have to go crazy when you give gifts. Like, it's the thought that counts. And if someone got this for me, I would go cray. I would just be so grateful, so thankful, because you know, it gets cold in the winter. It's so cute, and they're nice and warm, so perfect for the fall and winter. Great holiday gifts, great stocking stuffers, or just a gift in itself. And this is by the brand Mix It, and it's $7, and it fits a shoe size large to extra large, which is what I chose. A size large to extra large, let me see, for my shoe foot reference, that would fit me, and I'm a size 6.5 or a 6. So just looking at it, you can see that it fits a variety of different shoe sizes. I decided to get this watch set for my brother. I thought it was just so classy, like the black face and then like the shiny black band. It just looks amazing. And then it comes with a wallet. Are you kidding me? And also a multi-purpose tool. This is such a thoughtful gift. $24.99, you guys. $24.99. That is a good deal. When I look at this, I think, oh my gosh, this must be so expensive, but it was surely a great deal. I did end up getting my mom the St. John's Bay quilted vest. I got it for her in the size petite extra small, or PXS. And this was $21.99. That's a good price. And this is going to be used often for my mom because she loves to be nice and warm and cozy. And just adding a vest keeps your back hot. And when your back is hot, you just feel warmer, right? And it's also really cute and fashionable to have like a cute little vest on. So I'm really excited to give this to my mom. Mama April strikes again with some matching clothes for her boys. I just love doing that. So here I got these adorable little giraffes with the glasses and the stripes, like everything. I love animals. I love any type of animals with the glasses. And then stripes. Don't get me started with stripes. I love stripes. And this is by the brand Okie Dokie. I got this in 18 months for Jakey, and this was $4.99. $4.99. Such a good price. And then this one is a size 4T long sleeve that I got for Liam, and this is just $1 more, $5.99. So those are all the fun holiday gifts, all under $100 from JCPenney. Definitely such a great place to shop for the holidays, right? Because they have everything you need for the entire family, for your friends as well. Different brands. They have brands that are, you know, like known, that you know about, like Nike, Adidas, and then they have Van Heusen, and then they have Okie Dokie, which might be a more private brand that's exclusively sold at JCPenney. But they're just so great. Definitely check them out. I will link them down below if you guys are interested. Thank you again, JCPenney, for sponsoring this video. I had so much fun shopping, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy shopping, friends. Bye.